Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make easy 3-ingredient banana bread. This simple recipe uses just 3 core items to create a delicious treat. You'll need 3 very ripe bananas, 1½ cups of self-rising flour, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. These ingredients work together perfectly to give you a moist, flavorful loaf with minimal effort. It's a fantastic way to use up those overripe bananas on your counter. First, take your 3 ripe bananas and mash them well in a large mixing bowl until mostly smooth. Next, gradually add 1½ cups of self-rising flour to the mashed bananas. Then, stir in 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Mix everything gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix the batter. A few lumps are perfectly fine and will result in a tender loaf. Once your batter is ready, pour it evenly into a 9 by 5 inch loaf pan that has been lightly greased. Place the pan into a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for approximately 50 to 60 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of the loaf. It should come out clean when the bread is fully baked. The top should be a beautiful golden brown. After baking, let your banana bread cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This allows it to firm up slightly before you remove it. Then, carefully transfer the loaf to a wire rack to cool completely. Once cooled, slice and serve your homemade 3-ingredient banana bread. It's perfect for breakfast, a snack, or dessert, and your family will love this incredibly simple and tasty treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.